All right, this year I thought, let me give my viewers or people who are watching these videos more opportunity to direct the channel. So I thought, let me ask a question and give 3 options. So the question is, what do you want to see from this channel? And the 3 options are more hypebeast trainers, general release, or because of the cost of living crisis, whether you want to see more trainers which are under £100 or $100, let's say. Wow, it was overwhelming because it came back and everyone wants to see general release trainers. So all of 12 people who voted, thank you for that. And this is the direction we're going to go. So today I'm going to be looking at the Adidas Forum 2000. All right, let's talk sneakers. Specifically, the Adidas Forum 2000 is one of those shoes that feels like it has something to say, bold, nostalgic, and totally ready for 2025. So I have the box here, and the first thing I noticed is this box is huge. Now, the Adidas Forum 2000 is following in the shadow of the Campus 2000s, the Adi 2000, and you get the theme. So if you know those sneakers, you kind of understand what to expect with this trend. So this huge box. What do we get in the box? There's nothing much. You get the shoes, but you also get some grey laces as well. Now, the first thing you notice, it's got attitude.
Attitude, walk off. Attitude, walk off.
The oversized 3 stripes and chunky laces throw it back to the old school basketball vibe, but there's the modern edge that makes it feel fresh. And this is what we want to see from Adidas, Nike, is stuff which are quite new. Now the comfort, honestly, is like slipping into your favorite hoodie. Soft, secure, and ready for anything. That cushion midsole does its job, and the terry lining is super soft. You can wear these all day and nothing will actually stop you from carrying on walking with these trainers because of their comfort levels. Let's talk about the looks of the Forum 2000. And I was saying earlier on that this is of the same family of the 2000 or the Campus 00s and the Adidas 2000. It's a Forum, and I've had Adidas Forums, a Nike basketball shoe, which is now a lifestyle shoe. I've had them, and this is something that is almost like it's on steroids. So they beefed it up. So what you get is, you get the fat tongue, you get the fat laces, and you get the oversized stripes. So they've actually beefed up the stripes. So this is a prominent part of the trainer. What they've kept to is the overall look of the Forum. So you can notice that it is a Forum. Got the layers, which then carves out the Forum and the way it looks. So towards the back part of the sneaker, it is definitely noticeable as the Adidas Forums. The materials up top, you got leather, which is on the stripes. You have the suede, which it's real suede and it's not bad. And you have nylon as well, which you can find inside or in between the 3 stripes, and you can find it on the tongue as well. Also, you got the terry lining on the inside part of the sock liner, which is quite cool. So this actually adds to that comfort, as I said earlier on. Also, the midsole, it is quite chunky, and I would say it's more chunkier than the Forum itself. The front toe box has got some piping that goes around the toe box, which is quite cool. And then you can see this bit, so you can see this bit of the trainer, and this bit again is typical of the Forum. So you can see that Forum 5. What you also notice is this sign. And this sign you can find on the campus, you can find that on the Adidas 2000, and it gives that vibe. One of the reasons why I got this sneaker is the fact that, well, it reminds me of the Adidas 2000, and that blew up when it first came out. You know, it was something that was designed with the intention of skaters. So it took elements of the different silhouettes that are out there for skateboard type trainers, and then combined it, Adidas gave it its spin. And to be honest, it did blow up. Now these are brand new, and as of this time, there are now some new colorways. When I first bought it, I should have made this video earlier. There was only 2 colorways, which is this gray. What was so good about the Adidas 2000, which this Adidas Forum 2000 could capitalize on, was the fact of the chunkiness. At this moment in time, these chunky trainers, even though we are going through a slim era with the flat bottom trainers, very small midsoles, these chunky trainers are still in. And with the current trend, which is baggy trousers, definitely this sneaker would fit that silhouette. So the sizing, what are we saying about the sizing? As I put this on my foot, I think it's true to size. All right, I thought I'll come in here because I've got the trainers on, and I have to say it's more comfortable than, this is probably the 2nd or 3rd time that I've wore this trainer, and it's even more comfortable. So in terms of comfort, this is great. In terms of size, true to size, 100%. The toes is feeling wider than it is now. I'm just liking it. Hold on here. Toes are wider than I thought. I'm not sure if it will cover wide footers, but it does feel spacious at the toe box, 100%. So yeah, I would say very comfortable trainer. Not foam-like, but it is very comfortable. Price-wise, now this is the beauty of this sneaker. This is new, brand new from Adidas, and it costs £90. So again, it's good for that pocket. And as I've done that poll, you know, the second option, or the second most popular option, was trainers under £100. Hypebeast was the lowest. I think people are kind of fed up of Hypebeast, and the only reason why they're fed up of Hypebeast is probably because it's so expensive to buy these trainers. So, will these trend in 2025? Honestly, I don't know. I mean, with the Adidas 2000, it was popular, and the only reason why I know it was popular is because how the video popped off. It did pop off quite quickly, so there was a lot of interest. The Campus 2000s, or the Campus 00s, they were also popular, and they had the same ingredients. The nice suede, the beefy look up top, the thick laces, it had everything. And again, that flew off the shelves, that blew up, that became quite popular. So does this have the ability to trend like that? I do think so. Now, my personal opinion, when I do put on foot, this is not for me. And for some reason, it does have a look which I think is not suited for me. Not saying that it's not going to trend, not saying that this is not going to be a popular trainer, but for me, it doesn't fit my look. So let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want to participate in the poll is still up. Please let me know and what you want to see more of. If you want to see the Adidas 2000 trainer that I was talking about, have a look at this video. If you want to see what I wore in 2024, have a look at that video. And until the next time, take care. Bye bye.